don't layer and layer and layer and layer your skincare on top each other. It's not going to be effective. One ingredient might cancel another. Hello, good morning. So I want you to watch me do my morning skincare routine. This video is going to be unedited. I'm not going to edit it much. I want you to watch me do my morning skincare routine. You follow me and see how I do it, because I understand that so many people want to start skincare. They want to start face care especially. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to layer their products. So in this video, I will show you what I use, how I use it, how I layer it. Oh yeah, keep on watching. Let's go there. It's my Haro cleansing oil. This particular one is what I use. There are so many cleansing oils or balms in the market, but I currently use Haro. There are Anua, there are so many other ones. This cleansing oil or balm is not brightening. This product, the job of this product is to melt away all the impurities on your face, especially the build up from either your makeup or the previous skincares you have already applied. So what this does is do what? It will melt it away. You simply put it on your dry palms, add water. My hands are dry, my face is also dry. You put it, rub it together, use it to, rub on your face in a circular motion. You rub it on your face. You can do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Just take your time. This will help to rub away all the build-ups that causes breakout. All the makeups you have applied. It will help to also, rub it up. After rubbing it, don't forget your neck. Whenever you're applying any skincare product, don't forget your necks. So after rubbing it in for close to 3 minutes, you wet your hands. You wet your hands and also continue to rub it. This will help to emulsify. Face wash. This is a gel-like face wash. I use it to double cleanse. I'm very big with cleansing. I use it to continue washing my face. I use this tablet towel. This is like a sheet towel. Sometimes when we use our face towel without washing it for some time, it will build up some germs. So to avoid your towel transferring germ to your face, I use this. Just get one tablet of it and put it into a clean water. Look at it. You see? It's opening. It's opening up. Look at it. It has turned to sort of a sheet mask. You can also use it as a mask. If I want to do some fruit mask like cucumber mask or any turmeric mask, I will just mix my mask, use this particular product, this particular mask like this, use it and soak inside the mask and wear it. But I'm not doing that this morning. This is just my normal day morning face care routine. So this morning I'm just going to use it and dry my face. Look at my face. You see how cleaned and washed my skin is. It's now ready to to apply my skincare products. And always apply is my eye cream. So many of us ignore our eyes. We have as we get older, our eyes shows all the stress, all the sleepless nights. So it shows every stress that comes to your body is showed under your eyes. I use this particular product from Creton's. It contains 2% eye brightening serum with vitamin C. Look at it very well. You can screenshot it if you want. So I apply whenever you're applying anything, serum or eye cream, do it very well, and also use it to massage your eyes. Don't forget to massage. Don't be those that just apply skincare product. No, your face contains some muscles that need to be exercised. As you're exercising your skin, your body, you exercise your face also. After my eye cream, the next thing is my correcting serum. I've been fighting hyperpigmentation, but as you can see, my face is clear, some sort of clear. So after this bottle, I will not use this particular correcting serum. I will buy the Good Molecules brightening serum because my hyperpigmentation is almost cleared. Then I go with my serum. Before I forget, one thing with applying skincare is that it's self-love. Skincare is self-love. If you don't bring out time to pamper yourself, talk to yourself, you wouldn't even feel loved. So that love you're looking for outside is within you. And one of the ways you can express love to yourself is by doing skincare, because it's the only time you need to pamper yourself, be good to yourself, and also show yourself that, see, I love you, this money I'm making is for you. So you apply your skincare, take out some time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes is too much, 10 minutes is okay. You do it. Some people will say they don't have time. You have time. Make out time for yourself. So another thing you should invest on is this hand fan. If you don't have this, you use a paper and blow it. Don't layer and layer your skincare on top each other. It's not going to be effective. One ingredient might cancel another. So to prevent that, it's advisable you give it a breathing space. Allow this to dry before the other. But we are in a hurry. We cannot sit one place, apply this, go back and apply another one. What I advise you get yourself a fan or use a paper, and blow it to dry. Look at it. The correcting serum is dried. If I have vitamin C serum, I will apply, but my vitamin C serum is finished. I use vitamin C serum also. So I will purchase another one. So at this point, if you have a vitamin C serum, you apply. If you don't have, you move on to the next. The next product is this. This is the most affordable skincare product I have. Yes, this is 500 naira, but it's very, very effective. This product contains carrot, sunblock, which we call sunscreen, UVA and UVA. This thing is very, very effective. If you want to brighten your face, you get it. Let me show you. You can screenshot it. You get this. Where I buy 500. Before it was cheaper, but now it's 500. You get it. It will help to brighten your face. All these products we use, like this oil-based cleanser and all this, they are not. Some of them cannot brighten you. You will see that you are using all these products, but your face is not brightening. They're not brightening product. So that is why you have to incorporate one active ingredient. So for me, all I need is just something that will brighten me, help my face to brighten. That's why I incorporate this. So look at it. It's not that much, just small. Then I apply a little of it. Apply it in a circular motion. Don't forget your neck. Don't forget your neck. Another thing you have to invest in is moisturizer, face moisturizer. What I just apply now is just a simple brightening face cream. It is not a moisturizer. This one is a face cream. This one is a moisturizer. This particular Simply product they even wrote it hydrating light moisturizer. So before you start doing skincare, you need to understand this. Know what each product is for. so that you know how to use them and layer them. Now I've applied my brightening face cream. I know it is not going to serve. I need another product that will moisturize, hydrate me. So that's why I got this. This way I will now top it up, to moisturize my face as I need it, because moisturizing is very, very important. Can you feel the glow? It's coming up. So after this, I go with my fan again, to blow it. Let it dry down before I top it up with another product. I go with the most important skincare product, which is sunscreen. I use Skin Aqua. You can get yourself any good sunscreen of your choice. If it's 50% SPF and above, UV, UVB. Get a good sunscreen. You will like it. This one is very good. It's gel-like. See the texture? You see? It doesn't have a white cast. Just melt into your skin. Sometimes they will say use 2-finger rules, but this one is light and watery. You will not be able to, see how it's melting inside my face. Don't forget your palms here. Yeah. Your hands. Your hands is part of you. So many of us don't remember our hands while doing skincare. Yes. So as we age, your hands gives you away. Why does it give you away? It's because we don't care about it. Had even I have vitamin C serum, I could have applied on my hands. I love applying vitamin C serum on my hands. I have vitamin E oil that I also apply on top of my hands. Then I also apply sunscreen. So while this is drying down, then I will do face massage. I have gua sha. Sometimes I use my hands to massage my face. When you do this, you strengthen the muscles around your face. It helps to, I start from under my chin. I will do it 10. After that, I go with my chin. So you go this way 10 times. Then your forehead, this side. Next video, I will use my gua sha. You see how I do it. You open your mouth wide to strengthen both your neck and your mouth. You pound. That's all for my face care. Before I forget, I also do lip care. I have some little kits that I do. So if you are the type that your lips is very, very dark, you're looking for how to brighten it, make it beautiful and kissable. So keep on watching. Let me show you a simple lip care kit I use. It's affordable. You can buy it from me or buy from anywhere, just to make your lips beautiful. When you look beautiful, when you are beautiful, you are confident. You will not be shy. You will be, even your self-esteem will be higher above the roof. Just sit tight. Let me do my lip care also. What you need is this. Go to any shop that's selling skincare things. They will give you this. You can also order from me. I will send it to you. Then this is called lip scrub. It's made with sugar, some oils, and other things. So you fetch a little is enough. You scrub your mouth. If you cannot get hold of this, if you have sugar in your kitchen, you mix the sugar with a little bit of honey and lemon. Use it also with your toothbrush. After scrubbing, I remove some excess sugar. Then I top it up with this lip stain. A little is enough. Then I complete it with my Vaseline lip moisturizer. If you don't have this, if you have any wet lips at home, you do what? See how beautiful my lips. Yes. So this is how you do your morning skincare routine. I will also do another video for night skincare routine. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, I also appreciate your support. Please kindly forward it to your fellow women that are trying to start doing their skincare. We all need to look beautiful. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.